This site is just amazing. I know it's not going to last, but I'm off camping. And look at this weather. If I could just have at least 2 days of this, it would be more than I got all of last year. Fingers crossed. So I was a little ahead of schedule on arrival times for the campsite, so I stopped off at Glenridding, had myself a spot of lunch, a little mooch about, and then made my way onto the campsite. Now off to the campsite, which would help if I had the keys in the ignition. Too much time spent faffing about with camera. Right. Pitch number 16, which is over there somewhere. Good morning. What a beautiful morning. Have a little trip around the way to Brothers Water, and we'll see where we go from there. All morning should be spent like this. So this is the untravelled before bit for me anyway, heading towards Hartsop. All looks very pretty down here, rather idyllic. It's been around about 30 minutes since I last spoke to the camera, and still going uphill. I think I found what I've come all this way for. Just thought I'd take 5 minutes out, sit down and take it all in, try not to get a thorn up my ass. Oh, it's pretty. So there's Brothers Water down there in the distance, which we walked around and should be going back to walking around. If you hadn't guessed, I'm beginner level walker. I'm not for scaling these dizzy heights. But well. So yeah, if entry level walking up a hill is your thing, I would recommend Hartsop to Hayeswater. Just go and do it. You'll feel better for it. You'll feel like you've achieved or accomplished something with your day, and you will have seen some amazing and fantastic scenery. What an idyllic spot. And I woke up the following morning to yet another sunny day. And this might be a good point to have a little look around the campsite. There is a reception on your right hand side as you enter the site, and a little shop with all the essentials. The facilities block with toilets, showers and a washing up room at the end there. This looks like a camper's bar, but I didn't see it open whilst I was there. However, there is a pub at the top of the driveway. And other than that, I spent the rest of the day just enjoying the weather, playing around with the photos, and I will be investigating my flexible working options. Oh, and I did manage to get the drone out, so here's a few shots of me flying the drone badly. And it wouldn't have been a camping trip without some rain. And that did come in the following day, so here's what the campsite looks like when it's raining. And that's the end of this little video, so thank you for watching if you've made it this far. I'll leave you with some photos and look forward to the next camping trip. Bye for now.